Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Dr. Mridula here. Have you ever wondered, do I really require glasses? Because many a times we're so busy with our work, taking care of our family that we generally ignore or overlook our symptoms. So I thought I'll just share with you the most common symptoms that will give you a small hint that it's the right time that maybe you need to go to an ophthalmologist and get your vision checked. The first and the most important one is blurry vision. So you will have a difficulty in seeing things clearly. Maybe previously you were able to see the boards which are quite far off very clearly, or your friends who are along with you are able to see it but you're not able to see them clearly. Or while reading, images are very blurry, you'll have to either push it back to see things very clearly. Or what happens is you get frequent headaches. Sometimes when we focus on images and we're trying to read for long hours, there is a lot of strain around our eyes and this can eventually lead to a headache. I've also noticed a lot of people, they try to squint their eye because while squinting, it kind of temporarily improves your vision. But again, when you do this for long hours, it causes a lot of, eye fatigue, tiredness. Your eyes feels very tired towards the end of the day. You might have also noticed that, especially at night, you're not able to see things clearly, especially the vehicles which are coming from the opposite direction. You tend to see images as double, not as a single image, but as a double image. This can be because, of a weakness in your eye muscles also. Among kids, I have seen that a lot of these kids, when they're not able to focus on things, they tend to constantly rub their eyes. So if you've noticed that your child constantly rubs his or her eyes, then that is an indication that maybe they might require corrective glasses. Of course, in today's world where most of us are glued to our computers, phones or laptops, digital eye strain, as we call it, is an extremely common thing, right? So it is important that we actually get our eyes tested, and if we require glasses, it is better that we start early on. And especially with kids, let me tell you, I do not think you should skip this out. It is very important to make sure that your kids are tested regularly. So think about it, don't ignore your symptoms and get your eyes tested. Take care.